Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about RAID, part of Database Management System course. RAID, Redundant Array of Independent Disks, is a technique that is used to improve the performance, reliability and capacity of a computer storage system. In a RAID system, multiple disk drives are combined into a single logical unit, and the data is distributed across the drives in a specific manner to achieve the desired benefits. There are several types of RAID configurations that can be used. RAID 0 is a configuration that is used to improve the performance of a storage system by stripping the data across multiple drives. In RAID 0, the data is divided into blocks and written to the drives in a round-robin fashion, which can improve the read and write performance of the system. However, RAID 0 does not provide any redundancy. So if a drive fails, the data on all the drives will be lost. RAID 1 is a configuration that is used to improve the reliability of a storage system by mirroring the data across multiple drives. In RAID 1, the data is written to 2 or more drives simultaneously, so that a copy of the data is always available. RAID 1 provides good read performance, but write performance may be slower than in other configurations. RAID 5 is a configuration that is used to improve the capacity and reliability of a storage system by stripping the data across multiple drives and using parity to provide redundancy. In RAID 5, the data is stripped across the drives and a parity block is also written to one of the drives. If a drive fails, the data can be reconstructed from the parity block and the remaining drives. RAID 5 provides good read and write performance, but requires at least 3 drives. RAID 6 is a configuration that is similar to RAID 5, but uses 2 parity blocks to provide additional redundancy. RAID 6 can recover from the failure of 2 drives, but requires at least 4 drives and may have slower write performance than other configurations. It is important to carefully consider the appropriate RAID. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.